Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about some of the questions from theme 2 and our topic is rainforest. Okay, all of these questions which we are going to discuss today are 1 mark questions and we are covering only one topic, that is rainforest. Okay, now the question is, study the map which shows the location of some of the world's remaining rainforest and some of the threats to them, right? Now if you observe the map, in the map what is given, the rainforest are being marked. As you can see in the image, rainforest are being marked and there are some threats given, right? Like in South America, you may find that the threats are cattle ranching and misuse of land by migrants, right? And also mining development. In Africa also mining development is one of the main cause, and in Southeast Asia like Malaysia and Indonesia, you will find that logging, timber production is one of the cause, right? Now let us look at the question. So this is the image which is given in the question paper. There are questions which are based on the image, right? So how to correct the question and how to get right answer for the for these questions which have been asked. Now read the question. Question number 1 says that what location is common to all the rainforest? Question is, what location is common to all the rainforest which is given in the image, right? So what could be the best answer? Now if you look at the image, you will find that the rainforests are located on equator, right? This is the answer, right answer. Or you can also see that rainforests are located between the tropics, correct? Between the tropics. Or third way also you can write that the rainforests are located between 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. This could be. So out of these three, you can mention any one. First of all, look at the image, map. Rainforests are located on equator, that is clearly visible. Number 2, rainforests are between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, that is also right. And if you are not writing this, then you can mention that because degrees are given there, 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south. These are the datas which are given in the image. So out of 3, you can write any one. Okay, it is your choice that which answer you are writing, but any one is going to be the right answer. Okay, now look at question number 2. What are the major threats? Okay, this is the question. What are the major threats shown on figure to the Amazon rainforest? Now this is very much clear that there are various threats given, but where is Amazon rainforest? So if you don't know that where is Amazon rainforest, then it will be difficult. But if you observe the image, it will be very clearly visible from the image that Amazon rainforest is located in South America, right? Now Amazon rainforest, what are the major threats? Major threats. So there are 2 threats. You can see in the image, if you see the area which has been marked, which is covering larger area, right? Which is dark color, showing the threats. Okay, so larger area covered by a threat and smaller area covered by a threat. So we have to look at the major threats, right? So major threats means that we have to look at the larger area. So if you look at Amazon rainforest, what is the main cause? You need to write down any one cause because you have to, this is a question for 1 mark. So here the major threat is misuse of land by migrants, right? That is visible. Major threat is misuse of land by migrants. This is one of the major threat which is visible, and another major threat which is visible is the mining activity, right? Mining, major threat. If somebody is writing cattle ranching in Amazon rainforest, yes, that is a threat, but that is not a major threat because cattle ranching in a located is a threat for a smaller area. But for major areas, these are the 2 important threats which are clearly visible in the image. Okay, now look at question number 3. Question number 3 says that name a country shown on figure where timber production is a threat to the rainforest. Now here the question is name a country. Only one country you have to name where timber production is a major threat to the rainforest. Now if you look at the image, you will find that there are two countries where it is written logging, right? So the countries are, either you can write Malaysia where logging means timber production is a threat, or you can write Indonesia. Okay, out of these two you can write any one which is a correct answer. So these are 3 mark questions, 1 mark question carrying 1 mark each. Each question is carrying 1 mark. You have different options. You can mention any one for one answer. So this way, when you observe the image, try to observe what is given there and then read the question and then again observe the image. It will be easy to get answers. Okay. Now second part of this question is based on a pie chart. As you can see over here, this is the question given. The pie chart shows the distribution of the world's major areas of remaining forest. Okay. Now look at this pie chart, what has been given in the image. We have Brazil, Africa, Southeast Asia and rest of South America, right? Rest of South America 15% is given, Southeast Asia 20% is given, but Africa and Brazil there are no percentage given. Now read the question. What percentage of the world's remaining forest is found in Africa and Brazil? Okay, we have two data, South America and Asia 15% and 20% is given, but we have to find out what percentage of Africa has the world's remaining rainforest and what percentage is there in Brazil. So when this kind of pie chart or question based on pie comes, you need to calculate, you need some mathematical calculation. I hope that you might be aware about how to calculate this. Okay, now here one thing is very clear. To find out this, we have to be very careful that this is 360 degree, right? 360 degree means 100%. Correct? 360 degree means 100%. Now 15 and 20% is already given. Okay, so let us take this part. This is 90 degree and we are taking this Southeast Asia which is 20%. Right? So 20% is given. Now we have to find out what is the degree, how much degree it is covering. 20% means how much degree it covers. Okay, so here what we have to do, the calculation is simple. 20 into 360 upon 20 into 360 upon 100, right? So you can see that 20 into 360 upon 100 is equal to 72. So this 72 is what? 72 degree. We got 72 degree, right? This much is clear. We got 72 degree. How we got 72 degree? This entire circle is of 360 degree means 100%, right? We are taking this, that if Southeast Asia has 20%, then how much degree this 20% is covering? So 20 into 360 upon 100. Okay, if you do the multiplication, you will find 72. So this 72 is the degree. Okay, now look at this. How much is given? This one, including Southeast Asia and Africa, this is 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree. This is easy to calculate. What we have to do here, what we have to do is equal to 90 degree minus 72 degree is equal to what? This is 90 degree. Okay, and Southeast Asia 20%, we got that 20% means 72 degree. Okay, so 90 degree minus 72 degree is equal to how much? So what we are getting, 72 degree is equal to 90 minus 72 is equal to 18 degree. So we got one idea that 18 degree means, that is, this Africa has 18 degree. Okay, now we have to convert this 18 degree. So how we are doing 80 degree? If 360 degree is 100%, then 18 degree if 360 degree is equal to 100%, then 18 degree is equal to how much? Again, we are doing the cross multiplication. It is 18 into how much? 18 into 100 upon 360. 18 to 100 upon 360. So you can see clearly, you will find that, right? So how much percentage we are getting? 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So what is the answer for Brazil? For Brazil, it is 5%. We got it? This is 5%. Okay. So in Africa, what is it? It is 5%. Correct? Now on the basis of this, we have to calculate for Brazil. So here you got 360 degree, we have already got, right? 360 we got. So for Brazil, how we are going to calculate this? Out of 360, you have 15, 20 and 5%. Okay, so just adding this, how much you are getting for Brazil? You will find that 15 plus 25 is 40. So 360, okay, no, sorry, 100%, 100 minus 40. 15 plus 20 plus 5 is 40. So is equal to 60. It means that clearly it is visible that here Brazil is 60%. Okay, we got. So we have to calculate only. Calculation is required for one. If you are able to calculate one of the area, then it will be easy to calculate for the other area, right? So this is how you are getting 1 mark over here. For Africa, you are getting 1 mark, and for Brazil also you are getting 1 mark. So this is how you can get 2 marks. Okay. Now look at question number 2. The question says that name one major threat not shown on the map to the rainforest. The question is name one major threat which is not shown on the map. Okay. So means whatever is given on the map, we will not consider that. Okay. On the map, what is given? Cattle ranching is given. As you can see, cattle ranching is given. Misuse of land is given. Logging is given. And mining is given, right? So mining, logging, cattle ranching and misuse of land by migrant workers, that is given in the map. So we are not covering, we are not writing those threats over here, because the question is name one major threat not shown on the map to the rainforest. So here what are the threats? You have learned this, that what are the threats to the rainforest. So all other threats which are not shown in the map, you can say that what other threats are there. So there are threats of construction of roads which is not given on the map. So you can write that construction of roads. This is also a threat. Or plantation activity is also a threat, right, which is not given on the map. Population growth and settlement could be a threat. Population growth and settlement, that could be a threat, right? Apart from this, tourism can also be considered as a threat, or industrial development could be considered as a threat, right? Question is name one major threat, only one major threat. We have identified so many threats, you need to write down any one. Okay, either you are writing this or this, but the question is not shown on the map. So on map there are 4 threats already given. You don't need to mention those threats, because question says that you don't need to show those threats, but find out other threats which are not shown on the map, but actually they are also threats to the rainforest. So out of this you can write any one. So this way you have to solve the questions. Okay, in our next video we will come out with some other questions and we will discuss that how to answer those questions. Thank you all for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.